Hi everyone, welcome to Standard Share. So in this video, what we are going to see is in the morning I said some analysis on like Nifty might get rejected over here or Bank Nifty might get rejected over there. So I just wanted to review the market, like what has happened and all those. So I told in the morning video that based on in your wave analysis, I could see a zigzag pattern, and based on that zigzag pattern, I'm expecting Nifty, like Bank Nifty, to face some rejection over here. And also, I said the same thing for Nifty, but there is some confusion with Nifty, and even you guys can check that I have marked this line at around 15,976. Yeah. So ultimately, Bank Nifty was the one which I concentrated today, and it was a good fall which has been seen, but then there were a lot of unnecessary discussions which were happening with the comment section when you look. Kindly go to that comment section and you can just you can decide what you guys wanted to take anything from that, or you just wanted to leave it in. So this was the comment which made me to respond continuously for that person. So you don't need Elliott wave or anything. It is a straightforward. Price is too far from 20 MA in 15 minutes time frame. Time wise correction and also price wise too will happen. Fooling people with all jargon. So this is what has been mentioned here. So to be very honest, whatever he said is correct. So for example, let me keep only the 20 MA. So this is a 20 MA. So what he was telling is like, so I also have told a lot, like whenever the gap between the 20 MA or 20 MA is bigger, it will attract the candles. So the possibility of candles coming towards the MA is highly possible. So this is what I have told. So he is also saying that so the as the 20 MA gap and the candles is more, so you can expect a follow through, like, or a pullback towards the 20 MA is highly possible. So that is what he's telling. I agree completely with this point. I'm not telling no, it is not possible, and also it is true. But did I ever mention that there is some gap, or there is some MA gap between there? I did not mention that. What I was telling is, I am thinking that there can be some zone of rejection to happen, and that will make Bank Nifty to come down. So this is what I told. Clear? So any concept, any theory, whichever you wanted to follow, you can easily follow. Okay, some people don't like indicators at all. They wanted to trade with blank charts. It is up to them. So if they wanted to trade with blank charts, so what? Let me remove this. Okay, so if they wanted to trade with blank chart, it is very easy one. If you guys see, this is a zone of rejection. This zone is acting as a rejection. Here rejected. So obviously you can see some rejection over here. So this is happening with respect to simple price action, not using any indicators. Okay, if suppose if you wanted to use MA, okay, there is MA or EMA or whatever moving average, okay, there is some gap. Okay, yeah, you can expect a gap, the attraction towards the MA is possible. Okay, so it is up to them. It is up to people whoever wants to understand or whoever wants to use their theory. I'm not saying anything. I I followed Elliott wave, so I thought that based on that there is some rejection can happen. So I thought, okay, let me say that to the followers, so that subscribers or followers or whoever, so that they will get benefited. That is what the only criteria or only thing I wanted to convey. There is nothing to fool or do anything. See, ultimately, let me assume, like, let me fool you guys. Okay, what is the benefit of that? Okay, what is it? Did I say you guys anything like, okay, this line is a zone where it will get rejected, you short it, and 50-50, you take profit, your profit 50 and give share 50% profit to me? Did I say anywhere like that? Did I tell anything to fool you guys? I seriously don't know. Fooling people with all jargon. So what is the jargons you are expecting? So Elliott wave and zigzag is a jargon to you. So that means you do not have any basic knowledge about that. For example, just go to Google, type zigzag pattern in Elliott wave. Okay, just type zigzag pattern in Elliott wave. and you will see lot of images. You need not go to mine alone. So this is one sort of Elliott wave pattern. Okay, this is one zigzag. So that is what I was expecting in this chart. So in this chart, what I am expecting was like I am expecting a zigzag pattern to happen. So zigzag pattern is nothing but, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is a zigzag pattern, and that is what is shown over here. So I was expecting a zigzag pattern to happen. So because of that only I told I am expecting a zigzag pattern. So that is why I said there is some rejection. Okay, so you just see the diagram itself, zigzag pattern. Okay, so this is 0 to A to B, B to C, and this B should not cross the wave 0 starting point. This is 0, A, B, C. This B should not cross the starting point. So that is how I said this is where I am predicting 0 to A. So if B can go, it can go till here, not cross this high. So that is why I was expecting, okay, there can be a fall to happen. And that is why I said Elliott wave zigzag pattern. He is telling that why you wanted to tell that jargons and all. Use Google, try whatever format you want, do whatever you want. Clear, I am just giving the knowledge or sharing the knowledge whatever I have. It is not going to benefit me at all. I am just sharing. Based on that, what will happen? My knowledge will improve, my confidence will improve. That is what I'm thinking, nothing more than that. And there is some questions on the join button also, why you have kept join button. That is also fooling retailers. See, I have kept join button just to prevent you guys from putting your money into my channel. Okay, so there are four join button. There are four membership. For two membership, I told do not opt in because I'm not going to put any videos related to that. And the first one is completely ORPRB strategy, CPR, and Camerala. Okay, ORPRB strategy videos already uploaded. Camerala videos already uploaded. Certain videos are already there. And what is CPR? What is Camerala? Already uploaded for pivot in the Pivot Bus book that is available for all the public. Clear? And I have also given several examples on Victory Vessel setup, Extreme Vessel setup. I don't want you guys to confuse a lot. That is why I brought ORPRB, CPR, Camerala into a membership, and that too I costing at around 59 rupees. Okay, just for the sake, people do not want to get confused. Simple reason. But you guys are like, as if you guys are only know the truth. You guys know what I do, what I think, and what I feel, and you guys are like commenting as you like. And the second one, the last membership plan is what ORPR, like sorry, option trading strategies. First of all, for option trading strategies, you guys need a huge amount. Otherwise, it is not at all possible. Okay, and that is why I kept it at 599. I don't want you guys to opt in. For rather than keeping at 599, I can keep it at around 59 rupees also, right? People will be joining and listening to it, right? Why should I bother? I don't want you guys to waste money. It is everything is like if people will be like, okay, this will work, that will work, this will work, that will work. At one point of time, something will not work. We are not sure of, like, what is the reason. For example, yesterday MRF trade did not work. And there are certain times these are certain strategies will not work. It is not 100% holy grail strategy. So you should not be in a situation that okay, today I'll follow Vicky Vessel. Okay, 1 week I followed. 1 week I faced loss. Okay, I'll move to other option trading strategies. What is the benefit for you guys? What is the benefit? There is no benefit for you guys. I am just helping. Clear? I'm just helping. I'm not doing. I'm not getting any benefit at all. To be very honest. I'm spending my time and I'm uploading. For spending my time and uploading only, for that only YouTube is giving me money. You guys are seeing it, and by the way, I'm getting that money indirectly. Okay, if you guys don't want any content from me, I am happy. I don't bother at all. I shared a screenshot of what today. I always prevent sharing these screenshots, but today I shared a screenshot of Bank Nifty trade. Why? Because I wanted to prove that okay, I am also trading. I also trade these trades, and that is why I'm proving it. There is no other reasons to prove it. There are my friends who knows how much profit I'm making in commodity alone. Okay, I'm not able to say their names because there are other like their office situations are there, so they don't want to reveal the name. Otherwise, I can say their name also. It is simple for you guys. Very, very simple. You want the content, just see whatever is good, whatever is bad. That's it. If you don't want, if you guys feel that I am fooling you, I am cheating you, I'm bringing retailers to some sort of trapping you, just block my channel. No other, nothing I'm expecting from you. Just block the channel. Very, very simple. Clear. So let me move forward. I don't want to waste much time again. So I wanted to share one strategy. Not like strategy. I've already discussed about the strategy to you guys. So let me share that again. So in the weekend, I told something about wolf wave. I'm not sure like how many remember, how many don't remember that. Okay, so let me tell you guys again what is wolf wave and all this. Okay, today I said that my target is done. My target is done on the short side, so I'll not be like willing to short more. I'll be like looking for buying opportunity. You guys remember, right? So how I was able to say that? Let me tell you. Okay, so here comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, you guys need to understand that what is wolf wave is like. It has basically wolf wave is a breakout failure pattern. Okay, do not go with breakout pattern. It is a breakout failure pattern. Clear? So give me a minute. Let me take some screenshots so that will be. So I just wanted to tell you, I told to my friends that sell below 235235 and SL is 253525 at around. If you guys see, it is around 1019 and 1023 also I gave an update. So let me tell you guys how did I do that. Okay. So now first of all understand wolf wave is something which is like a breakout failure pattern. Yeah. So I have decided that when that 35200 is a zone where I can expect some sort of fall in bank nifty or rejection in bank nifty. Yeah. So what happened is like I went to 1 minute chart. Okay, I went to 1 minute chart and I draw this wolf wave pattern. Okay, this is a like an bearish one. So like it will fall. So basically, for a wolf wave pattern, how it should look like, it should be in an angled one. Okay, it should not be like this. Okay, it should not look like a triangle. It should look like in a wedge pattern, sort of a wedge pattern. Clear. And next one is like your 1 and 2 are the zones which should not get breached. So this is 3. So this is 1 and 2 zone. I have drawn this line in sort of a wedge pattern. And what should happen is like your 3 and 4 should lie between the 1 and 2. It should not extend much. So this one has extended a bit, but not an issue. Okay, but I'm just treating it at this point because at 1 minute time frame you always get these sort of wicks and all so happen. So that is not an issue. But main criteria is like your fifth point. So whenever a fifth point is happening, it should give a breakout. Okay, it should give a breakout and then get failed and then start to come inside the channel. Okay, when it is coming inside the channel, and that is the time you should be ready to short the market. And if on the reversals on the vice versa side, you should be waiting for a buy side. For example, what I'm trying to say is, if the pattern is like this, if the pattern is like this, then it should give a breakout and then come in. Okay, and if in case the pattern is like this, okay, if the pattern is like this, then it should give a breakdown and then come inside the channel. So this is what I'm trying to say. Clear? So now let's move on to this concept. I'll share you what I was like expecting. So at 1019, what I told is like sell below 35 to 235 and SL is 35 275. So I told, okay, maybe I would take this because this is in white chart, right? So you guys, you will be able to easily see, otherwise it will be tough. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it went out, it came in. Okay, it came inside the channel. So you need to sell below this low, and your SL is this one. Okay, this is what I gave. This is what I gave. But what happened is, like, before the entry got triggered, the stop loss was got triggered. So I decided that okay, let's wait a bit more, and then I told, like, sell below this 235230 and stop loss is that. But again, it got breached. Okay, so now this time it got breached. Okay, now breached in the sense the sell got triggered, but unfortunately our SL also got triggered, and that is where that is where I understood is, even though the SL is getting triggered, but it did not close above the channel. It was staying inside the channel, and after that it gave a good clean breakthrough. There, and please also see that here I mentioned watch only. I did not give them any update to buy, because it was still roaming here around here, and was suspecting something. So that is why it gave a I told watch only, and then after that it started to fall. Clear? So let me tell you again, wolf wave is a pattern which is a breakout failure pattern. So it has to give a breakout and then get failed, and then it has to return back to the channel. And that is where you need to draw the support and resistance, and then you need to take a trade. Clear? And what should be the target? The target is very, very easy. Connect the first line and the fourth line, first point and the fourth point. So your target should be first point and the fourth point. This should be your target. Clear? So that is how I said, and it came at around this zone. And that is where I thought, okay, let's not take any more risk. I'm not sure. So I thought, like, let's leave it as such. But then it clearly went down. One sec, I changed to 5 minutes. Okay. It clearly went down till what target? See, I'm just extending it. It clearly went down to the target. Got my point or not? Just let me know in the comment section so that I will try to let you guys know what is happening. Okay. So very, very simple wolf wave pattern, bearish pattern I could see. So I connected all the points. So I waited for a breakdown, and the breakdown also happened after a breakout failure. And the target is you have to connect the first point and fourth point, and and wherever the candle is touching that point, that should be your profit taking point. And see, market clearly moved this way. Okay, but to be very honest, when the gap was like filled, or when the gap is about to fill, I started expecting it to move upside, and that is where I bought some. I told, right, 4 lots I bought over here and exited at 50 points. That is where I bought over here. I saw the candles taking some support and then started to buy over here, but unfortunately or luckily, I don't know what to say. I just booked in 50 points and came out, but again the theory failed, and it still went to the first theory only. It came to the target. Clear? So draw and practice this pattern. I have already explained all these things, and here this wolf wave pattern is also a Elliott wave pattern, but I'm just sharing it with the live trade, not a live trade, but Elliott wave trade which I've shared, Elliott wave analysis which I've shared in the morning. So because of that, I told. So this is the wolf wave pattern. So wolf wave pattern can be like this. Clear? So, or it can be like this. Sort of a wedge. So a breakout failure pattern, once it is giving a breakout, it has to come inside the channel and then decide where your entry will be. And rest is history. That is what I can say. Clear. So I think I did not make a clear video on this topic. Maybe if you guys feel the content is not clear, do let me know in the comment section so that I will try to take an example and share the same to you guys. Also, there were like a lot of questions asking like whether this will work in which time frame. It will work in any time frame, not an issue at all. So just make use of it. And also let me know whether you guys really need my videos or not. Otherwise, I will not waste much time and I'll concentrate on my trades only. Clear? So if you guys feel the video's content is good, kindly give a like and share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.